Dams are essential structures. They provide water for drinking. They irrigate our crops. They generate power for our homes and industries. But dams also pose risks. Failure can be catastrophic, leading to floods, loss of life, and environmental devastation. Dam safety is paramount. Traditional monitoring methods have limitations. They rely on manual inspections and historical data. This makes it challenging to predict and prevent potential failures. This is where AI comes in, revolutionizing how we ensure dam safety. AI is transforming dam safety in unprecedented ways. By enhancing monitoring and risk assessment, it provides a new layer of security. AI uses sensors and data analysis to identify potential problems early on, before they become critical. AI systems can continuously monitor various factors, ensuring constant vigilance. These include water levels, pressure, and structural movements, all crucial for dam integrity. They analyze this data in real time, providing instant feedback. This helps identify anomalies that might indicate a problem, allowing for swift action. AI algorithms can learn from historical data, improving their accuracy over time. They can identify patterns and predict future issues, providing a proactive approach. This proactive approach helps prevent dam failures and ensures public safety, safeguarding communities. AI also improves the efficiency of dam management, making operations smoother. It automates routine tasks, optimizes water resource allocation, and reduces the workload on human operators, making the entire system more reliable. Various AI tools and technologies are employed in dam safety applications. Machine learning algorithms analyze large datasets. They identify patterns and predict dam behavior under different conditions. Computer vision analyzes images and videos from drones and cameras. It detects cracks, leaks, or other structural defects. Predictive modeling simulates different scenarios. It assesses the dam's response to earthquakes, floods, or other extreme events. These technologies provide valuable insights into dam health. They help engineers make informed decisions regarding maintenance and risk mitigation. Section 4. Success Stories, AI Making a Difference. In this section, we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we ensure dam safety and protect communities. Real-world examples demonstrate the effectiveness of AI in dam safety. These stories highlight the critical role AI plays in monitoring and maintaining these massive structures. For instance, AI-powered monitoring systems have successfully detected early signs of dam deterioration in several